Foldables are taking the tech world by storm, and Xiaomi is ready to lead the charge with its Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. Welcome to Trend TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about Xiaomi's highly anticipated foldable, from its cutting-edge features to the expected release date. Let's get started. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 is set to be the fourth iteration in Xiaomi's Mix Fold series, and it's rumored to push the boundaries of what foldables can do. With a sleek design, powerful hardware, and innovative features, this foldable aims to be a game-changer. Let's start with the display. The Mix Fold 4 is expected to feature a 7.8-inch AMOLED inner display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering stunning visuals and seamless performance. The external screen will also get a significant upgrade, making it just as functional as a regular smartphone. Under the hood, Xiaomi is likely to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. This means you'll get top-tier performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming. Xiaomi hasn't held back on the camera department either. The Mix Fold 4 is rumored to boast a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens for zoom shots. The selfie camera housed on the cover screen promises crisp and clear photos for all your social media needs. And what's a foldable without a reliable battery? The Mix Fold 4 is expected to include a 4,800 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging and 30-watt wireless charging support. Plus, it'll run on MIUI Fold, Xiaomi's custom software designed to take full advantage of the foldable's unique screen real estate. Xiaomi has also focused on improving the hinge mechanism, making it more durable and allowing for a thinner, lighter design. This means the Mix Fold 4 could be one of the most portable foldables on the market. Now let's talk about the release date. Industry insiders suggest that the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 will debut in mid-2025, with a global launch shortly after. As for pricing, it's expected to be competitive, starting at around $1,800. A steal for a device with this level of innovation. Xiaomi's Mix Fold 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable phones of the year. What do you think about the Mix Fold 4's features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trend TV for more tech updates. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.